Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem. Zoom to 100% and inspect subtle hue and brightness shifts. Make a clean selection around the mouth with a soft edge and feather about 20 to 50 pixels so corrections blend. Use a separate adjustment layer or node so you can toggle the change. This prevents permanent damage. Once done, sample nearby skin for target color and keep a reference patch. That will guide your next moves and save time when matching hue and luminance. Now you match color and tone using the reference sample. Pick an eyedropper from adjacent cheek or jaw. Apply hue and saturation shifts, reduce or raise luminance or tweak midtones with a three-way color wheel. This controls warmth and balance. Paint the mask with low opacity brushes around 0, 5 to 1, 0 to build corrections gradually. Make sure to toggle the adjustment layer on and off to compare. That helps you see whether you're close to a natural result and lets you avoid overcorrection. Finish by blending and refining. Soften the mask edge with a small blur and inspect at different zoom levels so you catch artifacts. Use a split screen before and after to verify natural transition and apply subtle global color grading if the whole face needs harmony. If you see halos or hard edges, reduce the feather slightly, lower the adjustment layer opacity to around 70 to 85%, and repaint transitions. This single troubleshooting step usually eliminates obvious seams and restores realism.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.